Hey dudes, what's cracking? Welcome to another video upload from Aspie. You're right now watching autistic YouTube content creator channel. And to introduce myself, my name's David, I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I have autism, Asperger's syndrome, that's why I call myself an Aspie. And welcome to episode 362, which happens to be Aspie Chef number 14. Or something I haven't even done for quite a while, and something I don't do much of these days, when I actually do a lot of cooking on my autistic YouTube content creator channel. So how it is though, to let you know what cooking is definitely a skill for life, definitely a life skill, especially if you're living very independently. And now, what's on the menu for this video is, I'm going to be cooking up scrambled eggs, nothing like any other that I've stumbled across on YouTube. I had followed pretty much all your regular cooking YouTube channels, up to all the celebrity ones, whether it's Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay and Heston. Well, what they have in common is, it's pretty ordinary looking scrambled eggs. Pretty much the way we know how scrambled eggs look like, pretty much based off it. What I want to just do is, I really want to bring up to a bigger notch, full of spices, full of flavour, and full of colour. And instead of making it like a snack or breakfast, I want to really make this a really cool meal. So without any hesitation, it's time for me to get cracking, and let's start cooking my scrambled eggs for Aspie Chef number 14. Come with me to the kitchen. Well, welcome to my kitchen once again. Since I've already got all the ingredients that I want for this meal, you can never forget the eggs, and other ingredients I'm going to be adding in is the red onions, the spring onions, chorizo, chopped bacon and olives. They also got chives and paprika and also white pepper to really spice it up, dudes. This is actually going to be awesome. So first thing I'm going to do is, don't need fidget spinner anymore. I'll just leave it down there. And one thing I'm going to actually start doing is preparing the ingredients for Aspie for Attitude, Aspie Chef number 14. Chop and dice the chorizo sausages into little cubes. Next, chop, dice or slice the middle rash bacon as shown. And it's time to chop and slice the red onion, and you're actually going to be dicing the red onion for that meal. It's time to heat and oil the pan, since I'm using a wok for this video. First off, saute the red onions. Then you just add the meat until it's cooked and it's browned. And then you can add and chop the green onions or the spring onions, even using a pair of scissors over the pan. It's time then to take the meat off the heat and you just put it aside. To get cracking, crack open 6 eggs and put the yolk and the whites together in one bowl. Once it's all done, whisk the egg together, even if it means that you're only just using a fork. Time to chop or slice some butter, since I'm using a herb and garlic butter for this meal. Once you start to heat the pan, add the butter. As the butter is melting in the pan, add in a dash of olive oil. Once most of the butter had completely melted, it's time to add in the egg mixture and to continue mixing the eggs. There is a time that you add a dash of milk and you still continue mixing the mixture. To spice things up, add some white pepper. To balance out the pepper taste, add some salt. And for the real flavouring, add some paprika, lower the heat and combine. Then it's time to add in the meat mixture with the eggs and stir it and combine it all together. Well, dudes, finally done it now. Oh, how cool is this? Like, I've got a nice real meaty kind of dish, made it really hearty. Anyway, that's what all scrambled eggs should be. Anyway, without any further ado, just gonna start serving it up. Oh, dudes, I can actually see the eggs in it. Oh, this is actually so awesome. Chorizo, bacon, olives, red onions, and also added paprika, white pepper, and salt. Well, anyway, this is my evening meal, which can also work as a breakfast meal as well. Oh, dudes, like, never seen anyone on YouTube cook scrambled eggs like that. Well, there we have it, dudes. Like, cooked up the most perfect scrambled eggs I can actually imagine. And you've just seen me how I actually did it. Absolutely awesome, looks very hearty with the chorizo and the bacon. Oh, gonna give that a try. So what I usually do is, I usually use a fork and I'll eat it with a spoon. Here we go. Well, very spicy as well while I've done it. Absolutely spicy. Anyway, dudes, this is actually my dinner. Really proud of what I've actually cooked. And this is an Aspie factory special scrambled eggs that you just see me cook. Well, dudes, like, how is this for Aspie Chef? The way I did scrambled eggs. Doing it like no other that you probably stumbled across. There might be a few other YouTube creators that might have made scrambled eggs like this, since I've actually filmed this on the evening of the 19th of September 2024, something that I wanted to get out pretty much in the start of October 2024. So, like, if you like all my cooking videos and want to see my previous works, I'll leave a link in the description down below for all my previous Aspie Chef videos. Then otherwise, if you really like what I'm doing in this channel, please, why not subscribe to Aspie for Attitude? That way, you're showing more support for this channel. And also, don't forget to ring this notification bell if you want to keep up to date with Aspie with Attitude. And also, please, don't forget to like and share this video content around. That way, you're showing more support for this channel and it'll encourage me to do more cooking videos like that. So anyway, I've pretty much done for this video. You've seen what I've cooked, and here we go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed my cooking. Peace and respect, and see you next time.